in plant growth is restricted to certain region or over structure, irreversible change in size. Plant growth is primarily affected by two climatic factors, which are light and temperature. In a growing plant, the first phase during the process of growth is cell division. The maximum growth rate occurs in exponential phase. Indole 3-acetic acid, called as auxin, was first isolated from human urine. Stem elongation is affected by auxin and gibberellin. Apical dominance means suppression of growth of auxiliary buds by the presence of apical bud. Which of the following is not a natural occurring plant hormone? 2,4-D. Auxin is mainly produced by apical shoot meristem. Plant bend towards the light because cell on the shaded side elongate more. Growth hormone acts some as promoters and some as inhibitors. Which growth hormone is responsible for apical dominance? Auxin. Which of the following induce femaleness in plants? Ethylene. Cytokinin is a hormone whose main function is to induce the cell division. Bolting hormone is gibberellin. Gibberellin do not cause shortening of genetically tall plants. Gibberellin stimulates of seed germination. Gibberellins can promote seed germination because of their influence on production of hydrolyzing enzyme. Which of the following is coconut milk factor? Cytokinin. In germinating seeds, amylase, protease, lipase are stimulated by gibberellins. सब हाइड्रोलाइजेज एंजाइम है तो gibberellin से ही. Which one of the following is a gaseous plant hormone? Ethylene. Apical dominance can be overcome by application of cytokinin. Among the following which help in the ripening of fruits? Ethylene. Abscisic acid induces leaf fall and dormancy. Which of the following is growth inhibitor? ABA. Abscisic acid treatment results in stomatal closure. Natural cell division inducing factor occurs coconut milk, corn kernels. Which is stress hormone? Abscisic acid. Seed dormancy is due to the abscisic acid. Hormones responsible to induce senescence? ABA. Elongation in internodal region of the green plants take place due to gibberellins. Exercise 2, previous year question. Dr. F.W. Bent noted that if coleoptile tips were removed and placed on agar for 1 hour, the agar would produce a bending when placed on one side of freshly cut coleoptile stems. Of what significance is this experiment? It is the basis of quantitative determination of a small amount of growth promoting substance. A few normal seedling of tomato were kept in a dark room. After a few days, they were found to have overcome white colored like albinos. Which of the following terms will you use to describe them? Etiolation. Which one of the following growth regulator is known as stress hormone? Abscisic acid. Typical growth curve in plant is sigmoid. What causes a green plant exposed to the light on only one side? The bend towards the source of light as it grows. Auxin accumulates on the shaded side, stimulating greater cell elongation. Auxin can be bioassayed by amina curvature test. The amina curvature is used for bioassay of indole acid, that is auxin. You are given a tissue with its potential for differentiation in an artificial culture. Which of the following pair of hormone would you add to the medium to secure shoots as well as roots, auxin and cytokinin. Fruits and leaf drop at early stages can be prevented by the application of auxin. It takes very long time for pineapple plants to produce flower, which combination of hormone can be applied to artificially induce flowering in pineapple plants throughout the year to increase yield, auxin and ethylene. Removal of shoot tips is a very useful technique to boost the production of tea leaves. This is because effect of auxin is removed and growth of lateral bud is enhanced. In order to increase the yield of sugarcane crops, which of the following plant growth regulators should be sprayed? Gibberellins. The process of growth is maximum during log phase. Name the plant growth regulator which upon spraying on sugarcane crop increases the length of stem, thus increasing the yield of sugarcane crop. Gibberellin. Who coined the term kinetin? Skoog and Miller. Match column. Match the following concerning the activity, function, and phytohormones. Fruit ripener, ethepone, herbicide 2,4-D, bolting agent GA3, stress hormone abscisic acid. Plant follow different pathway in responsible to environment. Our phases are applied to form different kinds of structure. This ability is called plasticity. The plant hormone used to destroy weed in yield is 2,4-D. Which of the following is incorrectly matched? जिब्रेलिक एसिड डेवलपमेंट नहीं, इन्होंने ऑक्जिन को आइसोलेट किया था. इथाइलिन एच कसिन्स ने, काइनेटिन स्कूग एंड मिलर ने, ऑक्जिन डार्विन एंड डार्विन. जियाटिन साइटोकाइनिन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 20. मैच द कॉलम फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड एंड चूज द करेक्ट कॉम्बिनेशन फ्रॉम द ऑप्शंस गिवन. जियाटिन इज साइटोकाइनिन, ऑक्जिन इंडोल. Which of the following plant does not show plasticity? Maize. Production of cucumber has increased manifold in recent years. Application of which of the following phytohormones has resulted in the increased yield as the hormone is known to produce female flowers in plants? Ethylene. इथाइलिन फीमेल फ्लावर को नंबर बढ़ा देता है तो यील्ड भी बढ़ जाती है. द गैसियस प्लांट ग्रोथ रेगुलेटर इज यूज्ड इन प्लांट to promote root growth and root hairs formation to increase the absorption of surface. The living differentiation cells that lost the capacity to divide anymore can regain the capacity of division under certain conditions. De-differentiation. Which hormone is used to induce immediate stomatal closure in leaves? Abscisic acid. Removal of apical dominance, decapacitation is utilized for hedge making. Which of the following is the correct equation of exponential growth? N is equal to n naught e की power RT. Which of the following growth regulator is an adenine derivative? Cytokinin. The phenomena by which the undividing parenchyma cells starts to divide mitotically during plant tissue culture is called T-differentiation. The ability of plant to follow different pathway in response to environment leading to formation of different kind of structures is called plasticity. Spraying of which of the following phytohormone on juvenile conifers help in hastening the maturity period that leads to the early seed production? Gibberellic acid. Which hormone promotes internode petiole elongation in deep water rice? Ethylene. Auxin promote flowering in pineapple. Gibberellin increase in length of grape stalks. Cytokinin overcome apical dominance. Ethylene promote female flower formation in cucumber. Which of the following is not correct? Plant growth hormone is genetically determinate? No, indeterminate. Exercise 3. Which of the following is a characteristic feature of meristematic cells? Cells are rich in protoplasm. Cell walls are primarily in nature. Presence of large conspicuous nuclei. Who isolated auxin from tip of coleoptile of oat seedling? FW event. Bacani disease of rice seedling was caused by Gibberella fusiculae, which is a fungus. Hormone which is spread on young conifer to hasten the maturity period and early seed production is gibberellin. Ethylene used to initiate flowering and thus for synchronizing fruit sets in pineapple. Growth is measured by a variety of parameters among following which is not included in these cell type. Spraying sugarcane crop with gibberellins increase the length of the stem, thus increasing the yield by as much as 20 tons per acre. Among the following which is not present naturally in plants, oxygen, kinetin, kinetin से among the following which is not a function of ethylene, डिलेशनेशन नहीं करवाता है. क्या करता है? ब्रेक्स बड एंड सीड डोर्मेंसी, प्रमोट रूट ग्रोथ, इनिशिएट फ्लावरिंग. ये काम करता है इथाइलिन. Plant follow different pathway in response to environment to form different kind of structure that is called plasticity, which causes fruit like apple to elongate and improve its shape. Gibberellins. 2,4-D is a synthetic oxygen. Which of the following increase the tolerance of plant to various kind of stress? ABA. Which of the following is used to speed up the malting process in brewing industry? GA3. Cells oblique tissue arising out of the same meristem have different structure at maturity. The phenomena in the plant is called cell oblique tissue arising out of the same meristem have different structure as maturity. This phenomenon is called open differentiation. The gaseous plant growth regulator ethylene could fit in the group of plant growth inhibitors, regulators, promoters दोनों में. Inhibitor, promoter दोनों में. Which of the following physiological effect is common to both oxygen and ethylene is flowering in pineapple. Oxygen और ethylene दोनों flowering in pineapple मतलब pineapple में flowering को promote करते हैं. Which of the following is not correctly matched? Induced growth in auxiliary bud, oxygen. Regarding factor affecting the development, PGR is the intrinsic intercellular control. Intrinsic intercellular control. Arithmetic growth is related to LT is equal to L naught plus RT. Which statement is not correct about ethylene? Promote male flower in cucumber. ये गलत है क्योंकि फीमेल फ्लावर को बढ़ाती है. और क्या क्या करती है? Synthesize in large amount by tissues undergoing senescence, enhance respiration rate during ripening of fruits, break dormancy in peanut seeds. Which of the following plant growth regulator is responsible for respiratory climactic? Ethylene. Cytokinin के characteristic. Promote nutrient mobilization, overcome the apical dominance, lateral shoot growth. Which of the following statement correct regarding growth? In plants, the form of growth is open and localized. Growth is accompanied by metabolic processes. Growth at cellular level is a result of increase in the amount of protoplasm. Meristematic phase of growth is characterized by cells. Those are rich in protoplasm and having thin walls with abundant plasmodesmata. Which of the following are related to the type of growth in which both the proper progeny cells arise from the mother cells retain the ability to divide? सिग्मोइड कर्व देती है. 3 फेज होते हैं इसमें, लैग, एक्सपोनेंशियल एंड स्टेशनरी फेज. मैच द कॉलम है. ऑक्सीजन का हो जाएगा इंडोल कंपाउंड, जिब्रेलिन का टर्पीन्स हो जाएगा, साइटोकाइनिन्स का हो जाएगा एडिनिन डेरिवेटिव, इथाइलिन का गैसियस हार्मोन, एब्सिसिक एसिड डेरिवेटिव ऑफ कैरोटिनॉइड्स. ये भी मैचिंग है. ह्यूमन यूरिन से ऑक्सीजन निकला था, कोकोनट मिल्क से साइटोकाइनिन, राइपेंड ऑर्गन्स इथाइलिन, जिब्रेला फ्यूजिकराई GA3. फिर मैचिंग द कॉलम है. साइटोकाइनिन ओवरकम एपिकल डोमिनेंस, ऑक्सीजन वीड फ्री लॉन्स बनाने में, एब्सिसिक एसिड स्ट्रेस हार्मोन, जिब्रेलिन्स ब्रीविंग इंडस्ट्री में. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग अकर नेचुरली इन प्लांट्स? इंडोल ब्यूटारिक एसिड. स्वेलिंग ऑफ पीस ऑफ वुड when placed in water is not considered as growth because it does not occur at expense of energy. It is not a metabolic change, it is a reversible process. इसीलिए सोइलिंग ऑफ पीस एक ग्रोथ फिनोमेना नहीं है. Plant growth is unique because plant retain the capacity for unlimited growth throughout their life. Growth at cellular level is principally a consequence of increase in amount of protoplasm. Cells which cells with increased vacuolation, cell enlargement, and new cell wall deposition are the characteristic feature of which phase of growth, elongation phase. Trees showing seasonal activities represent what kind of growth curve? Sigmoid. Quantitative comparison between the growth of living system can be made by absolute growth rate and relative growth rate. Nutrient, both macro and micro essential elements are required by plant during growth of synthesis of protoplasm as source of energy, enzyme of activation. Parenchyma cells that are made to divide under controlled laboratory conditions during plant tissue culture represents dedifferentiation. Select out the incorrect match. इनकरेक्ट नहीं बता रहा हूँ मैं, करेक्ट बता रहा हूँ. जिब्रेलिक एसिड स्पीड ऑफ द माल्टिंग प्रोसेस, ऑक्सिन जाइलम डिफरेंशिएशन, साइटोकाइनिन एडवेंटिशियस शूट फॉर्मेशन, इथाइलिन प्रोट्राइपेनिन. Removal of shoot tip decapitation is useful in tea plantation. Which of the following phenomena in plants require interaction of more than one plant regulators? Breaking of seed, public bud dormancy, abscission, senescence. Which of the following are correct about kinetin? It is modified form of purines. Which of the following plant growth regulators PGRs belong to that group of PGRs which play an important role in plant response to wounds? Abscisic acid. Which of the following plant growth regulators is synthesized in large amount by tissue undergoing senescence and ripening fruits? Ethylene. Which one of the following pairs is not correctly matched? मैं करेक्ट बता रहा हूँ. इंडे IAA सेल वॉल इलांगेशन, एब्सिसिक एसिड स्टोमेटल क्लोजर, साइटोकाइनिन सेल डिवीजन. Foolish seedling disease of rice led to the discovery of gibberellic acid. One of the synthetic oxygen is NAA, naphthalene acetic acid. Which one of the following acid is a derivative of carotenoids? Abscisic acid. Select the incorrect match. मैं करेक्ट बता रहा हूँ. Water cell enlargement, minerals, osmotic regulation, light flowering. Which of the following activities does not involve the role of GA? रूट ग्रोथ में इसका इन्वॉल्वमेंट नहीं होता है. इसका इन्वॉल्वमेंट होता है सीड जर्मिनेशन, माल्टिंग, एपिकल डोमिनेशन. विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग जनरली एक्ट एज एंटागोनिस्टिक टू जिबरेलिन ABA? Phototropic curvature is the result of uneven distribution of oxygen hormone involved in induction of alpha amylase in barley endosperm. Gibberellic acid. Which plant hormone promotes the growth of lateral buds? Cytokinin. Removal of shoot tips decapitation usually results in the growth of lateral buds. It is related to the removal of effect of which plant hormone? Auxin.